Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed on the infinite loops topic, right? So today we'll be discussing on the topic defining functions. Defining functions. So just give me a second here. One second. So yeah. So let's get into the definition part here. Functions in the Python are defined using the def keyword, right? So functions in the Python are defined using the def keyword to group the reusable code. To basically group the reusable code. Again, I'm telling. So let me read this one out loud. Just listen to this. Functions in the Python are defined using the def keyword to group the reusable code, right? So we can pass the arguments to the functions and they may return results. Again, I'm telling we can pass the arguments to the functions and they may return the results. So example let's get into the example part here. So I'll just go with the def as mentioned in the this one definition part. So functions in the Python are defined using the def keyword, right? So we have to start with the def. So I'll just go with a function name greet here, function name greet. So this is fine, colon. So let's print something within the function, nothing, but I'll just go with a hello Bharadwaj, right? Hello Bharadwaj. So let me make this one capital H so that this looks good. That's it. So we have to call the function, right? So for calling the function, I'll just go with a greet followed by the parenthesis, right? So this way we can define the function. Again, functions in the Python are defined using the def keyword to group the reusable code. This is the simple function that we have created. So within the greet function, we are just printing hello Bharadwaj within the string, right? So we are just printing hello Bharadwaj within the strings, and we have to call the function by its name, whatever we have given here, followed by the parenthesis, right? So this is it for the defining functions. So here def greet, whatever I have given, line number 3. So this defines a function, and greet, basically we are calling the function here. This calls the function, line number 6, right? So if I run the code, we have to get the output hello Bharadwaj, right? So let me copy this one, the file name, right? So I'll just go with python file name dot py, right? So we are not getting any output. By what happened? We're getting the blank output here. So let me check. Just give me a second. So I think indentation is the problem, man. Let me move the grid here. So yeah, now if I try to run, we have to get the output hello Bharadwaj. So yeah, you can clearly see here, right? Hello Bharadwaj. We are getting the correct output basically, right? So function greet, this one, whatever we have given, function greet. So it prints the hello Bharadwaj when it is called. When it is called. So function greet, this one, what it does, it prints the hello. It prints the hello Bharadwaj when called, right? So this is it for the defining functions in Python. Defining functions in Python. So let me summarize whatever we have learned so far. So functions modularize our code. Functions modularize our code, and it avoids the repetition as well. And it avoids the repetition as well, right? So this is it for the defining functions part. Next, we will be discussing on the arguments. Next, we'll be discussing on the arguments, right? For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.